You ever travel and you need to print out just a couple documents, not a bunch of stuff, but you just need one or two things, and then you have to go through the hassle of going down to the hotel desk, finding where the printer is, hooking up to it, printing it off. Yes, I've been there and done that. And sometimes I just wish I had a little miniature printer I could carry around with me. And that's what is so amazing by this. Look at this little printer here. It's so small, compact. You can throw it in your briefcase, your suitcase, whatever. Just print out a few things here or there. So that's why I'm excited to have this. Hi, my name is Diana, and I was actually given this in return for this video. So I'm going to go over some of the features, and you can decide if this is a fit for you. Now, first of all, it needs thermal paper. It's not like a toner kind of a situation or an inkjet printer. It uses pressure on a certain type of paper to create black and white printing. It's not color. It only weighs about a pound, just a little over a pound, and it does have a Bluetooth connection to it. So what you end up doing is you get this little strip of paper and you're going to scan this QR code, and then you're going to connect it up with your cell phone. You could connect it up with your laptop as well. So I'm going to go ahead and I downloaded the app. I already installed it. I turned this on and did the connection. It went really smooth. I have to tell you, sometimes those are a nightmare. Boom, boom, boom. I was up and connected, not a problem. And then you just kind of lay the paper in the guides. And you can use different size papers because there's this little slide bar that you can do that. But when you slide it in there and you shut it and you turn it on, it's going to pull it in and start it at the right place. So no worries there. And I'm going to go ahead. I haven't done this yet. I'm going to print this bird and see what happens. And print. That looks really nice. I'm gonna see what a photograph looks like now. I'm gonna print. Oh, it's a black. It turns my photo black and white, so it will print it. Okay, let's see how my dog looks printed. I mean, it's not exactly a photograph quality, but hey, there's my dog. Something that's very important to note, it has to be on the right side when you print it. If you don't put the glossy side up, it's not going to print. It's going to come out white. So be sure you put the right side up. And if it comes out white, then just flip the paper around and put it through again, because I had that happen a couple times. I didn't know what I was doing wrong. I don't know if I mentioned it does come with the recharging cable, and it's not a super short one. It's nice and long. So recharge it when you're not using it, so it's nice and charged up for when you need it next. So if you're looking for a nice quality little portable thermal printer, definitely check this one out. I'm really impressed.